In this video, I'm going to show you how to get candy sunflower in Grow a Garden Roblox. So it's actually quite simple. Now, the first thing you have to do is you want to unlock the Easter shop. And this over here is the candy sunflower. As you can see, that's what it looks like. Now, to actually be able to get the candy sunflower, here's what you have to do. As you can see here in the middle, there's a new Easter shop. And to be able to unlock it for the first time, you will need 30 kilograms of these gold crops. Now, it can be any crops, and then once you get them, talk to this Easter lady over here called Poppy and just sell those 30 kilos of golden crops to her, and after you do that, you'll be able to unlock the Easter shop. Now, if you want to get a quicker way to actually get those golden crops, what you can do is just plant down a bunch of different crops, just the cheap ones. They work very well as well. And after you do that, make your way over here to the gear shop, in case you have enough money, of course, which I'm assuming you do. And you want to buy one of these. So you want to either get this advanced sprinkler, which will increase mutation chances, which gives you more golden crops, or you can get this godly sprinkler over here if it is in stock for you at the moment. And this will increase the mutation chances and fruit size, which will basically give you a heavier fruit, and therefore you will need less of the golden fruits to basically be able to get to this shop. And then once you have 30 kilos, just come over here to this lady, sell her all the golden crops you have, and then once you do, you'll be able to access the Easter shop. Now, inside the Easter shop, you can get the candy sunflower. As you can see, there it is over here. It costs 75,000 in-game currency. It's a rare thing, as you can see. And after you do that, after you buy it, simply get back to your garden over here. And in your garden, you can just plant it, and then you'll be able to get it. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.